compare Honor X9C Smart 5G's incredible features and specifications, please welcome Honor Philippines Digital Marketing Manager and Content Lead, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ison de Guzman.
Thank you guys. Thank you. First and foremost, thank you everyone for attending this day and to this event. Thank you so much. We're here again to witness a new Honor product that will empower more Filipinos. Our Honor X9C 5G is no doubt a hit to Filipinos, resonating the need for a durable smartphone, especially in the ever-growing challenging lifestyles and weather conditions that we are experiencing today. Am I right? Yes. So the toughest phone, Honor X9C 5G, reached an astonishing 406% sales growth compared to its predecessor, the Honor X9B. This proves that Honor is a leader in this growing category, of providing resilient and durable smartphones. But of course, as Honor, we continue to provide innovations that strive to elevate and go beyond the norm. Today, we bring a new smartphone which we believe that will resonate to more or to the Filipino market more due to its unbeatable value and desired durability. Welcome the new Honor X9C Smart 5G. Now, with price with value in mind, we bring our best value durable smartphone that is even 5G to a wider audience. We specifically position this smartphone to cater to Filipinos, or to Filipino consumers rather, targeting their needs in terms of a reliable device for their everyday toils. Guys, I'm sure you can relate to this. We face our days in uncertainty. So imagine yourself, especially in our travels, in our commute, we're not sure if it will rain, right? We're not sure if your day will encounter a hot, sunny day. And we're not even sure, or you might even expecting it. It's a Carmageddon day, right? So every day is a challenge. All these, the Honor X9C Smart 5G can handle. So you can focus more on what matters most, less of the downtime. Because we designed the Honor X9C Smart 5G that has the same SGS 5-star comprehensive reliability that you love. Meaning this can also withstand up to 2 meters of drop resistance height, all-angle 360 degrees drop resistance, 3,000 cycles of steel wool friction, and of course, tested to more than 10 surfaces such as marble, pebble, cobblestone, gravel, asphalt, and even more. So this same kind of durability in terms of the one you love as in the present or in the Honor X9C 5G is also here in the Honor X9C Smart 5G. At the back of the Honor X9C Smart 5G is the same polycarbonate polymetal metal acrylic back cover. It's a mouthful. But this back cover is very designed, especially if you put your smartphone in your pocket against coins, against keys, or anything else in your pocket that might scratch your phone. Not only on the front, but also at the back. So, with durability inside, next is about water ingress. Once you put, in terms of water, the Honor X9C Smart 5G can also withstand it in 2 scenarios. 5 minutes of 25 centimeters in water depth, and 2 minutes under 50 centimeters depth. These are quick scenarios just in case you drop your smartphone in a puddle of water, or just in case you drop your smartphone in the bathroom. Aminado ng tayo dyan, guys. So all of us experience this one way or another. Our safe triple layer protection technology prevents water from ingressing inside the device, especially from delicate components. So, as you may see, we have 3 layers. The card slot, SIM slot, speaker, the fingerprint, the earpiece, and even from the buttons at the sides, they're all protected. Second layer, internal components such as the secondary board and also the controllers of the smartphone, like for example, the speaker, down to the third layer, which is our SoC, or the processor itself. These are all shielded against water in case of occurrence of ingress, given the scenarios mentioned earlier. Next is temperature. From negative 30 degrees Celsius up to 55 degrees Celsius, this represents conditions that can be randomly occur in our daily experiences. All these give you the confidence to be more in the moment, regardless of any environment and conditions you are exposed to at the back of the Honor X9C Smart 5G. Alright, so at the back is our famous circular black module that houses the dual camera system. We have two cameras here, a 108 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera. So both are able to give your content creations to your desire. You can shoot in 3 focal choices in the press of a button. So you can deliver more artistic shots in ×1, ×2, and also in ×3. So go ahead, take a shot using the 108 megapixel for a spin, and take wonderful shots such as these. So you can see here buildings and installations, and even the photo of the actual building of Shopee headquarters, all taken wonderfully using the Honor X9C Smart 5G. So, palakpakan naman yun, guys. Another thing, not only in photography, but we also up AI in this price category. For the very first time, we're bringing this price segment with AI capabilities. So you can now have AI night mode camera and AI motion sensing capture. So the meaning of this one is AI mode camera automatically adjusts the right exposure levels and also shutter speed in darker conditions, of course. While AI motion sensing capture snaps instantly highlights moments when significant movements are detected in your camera. So to explain further, what is this AI motion sensing? Technically, once you open your camera, just select the AI motion sensing icons located in the camera module and do your shots. Shoot as regular. When there are significant movements in the frame itself, it will automatically capture it for you. So you don't have to miss those precious shots. So precious memories are saved and it's already taken. Already taken for you. But what if your shot is already taken and you want to edit? Of course, we have our famous AI eraser. Everyone experienced AI eraser, right?
Yeah!
It's now available at the Honor X9C Smart 5G. First available from our flagship Magic series and also Honor 200, now available at a more affordable price range. So this one, we enable everyone to delete or even edit photo bombers at their desire. You save most of your shots or can now be more artistic and more pleasing. Next is for the battery. We want you to carry a smartphone with 5,800 milliamperes in terms of battery, so you can do all-day battery life. We're going beyond the expected and go with a bigger 5,800 milliampere battery. That means you can do the following things with large battery capacity and power efficiency. Up to 20 hours of video playback and up to 42 hours of online music streaming. So remember, all of these features and large battery capacity is housed in a very slim 7.88 millimeters body. Now, it's really astonishing that you have a bigger capacity and slimmer profile design in this price point. So it's really nice in terms of curvature, it's nice to hold, and the front flat glass panel enables everything, which is really likable at this price point. Not only durable outside, but also inside. So we've taken into consideration your battery in longevity use. Even after 1,000 cycles of charging, it's estimated in 3 years of use, it will retain 80% of its charge. So that's good in terms of battery durability overall. Should you run out of juice, just in case, just stay a bit longer with our power saving mode, and you get 35-watt Honor Supercharge to fill you up faster. And of course, at the front of the display, the Honor X9C Smart 5G is also feature-packed with high brightness, high refresh rate, high resolution, and high color reproduction. Same features you've seen in our flagship level devices, also available in the Honor X9C Smart 5G. Next, we have large storage and large RAM. 12 gigabytes of physical RAM and 12 gigabytes of Honor Turbo RAM for a total of 24 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Reliable storage for your content to store. Choose from two colors that will represent you. A clean and neat midnight black, which is the one I'm holding right now. And also an expressive ocean cyan color. So personally right now, because of our outfits and also in our venue, we're currently in a golf setup. I choose the more midnight black for this one. You guys know me, I'm more of a color expressive person. But since the venue is more for golf, it's more for a sleeker midnight black this time. Next, at the heart of the Honor X9C 5G is the same Magic OS 8 that we'll be providing to you guys. And you now have you have access to UI interfaces that improves your overall use. So, see notifications without leaving the current screen with Magic Capsule. And then, you can even transfer photos, videos, or text quickly with Magic Portal. Magic Lock Screen enables you to customize your phone to your preference even when not in use. And lastly, a bit of a flavor favorite, parallel space. If you have the dual personality lifestyles, you can access two home screens and access each one when needed. So it's really nice to switch home screens if you're at home, if you are at work. Lastly, to summarize, here are the top benefits that you get with the Honor X9C Smart 5G. Enjoy drop and splash resistance for everyday challenges. Large, durable battery to stay even longer in your days. An 108 megapixel ultra clear AI camera enabled camera. AI and intelligent software to experience flagship class software at this price point. And last, to top it off, 5G connectivity, which is now more important than ever, with better speeds to do more. So, all of these features and benefits means they will be able to enjoy our best durable 5G smartphone from Honor, priced competitively for our best value 5G smartphone from Honor is priced competitively for 30,999 pesos. But guys, of course, this is not any regular event. As mentioned earlier in our parts of our program, we have partnered with the leading e-commerce platform in the Philippines to cater to a wider range of Filipino consumers. So for this one, to tell us more about this partnership, please welcome the Head of Corporate Affairs for Shopee Philippines, Ms. Erin Tagudin.